57% returns within 3 months. That is my expectation from the project that I've recently added and that I'll be talking about in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Investment Vitals. Before I proceed with the discussion, I'm neither a legal nor a financial advisor. Nothing contained on this video or on my channel is financial or legal advice. This is for your information. Take your informed decision based on your financial circumstances. The project that I'm going to talk about today is Aevo Finance. It's a token that is about to get listed on major exchanges, including Binance. However, it is not listed yet. Therefore, I'll be talking about another token which is under the name of RBN, that is Ribbon Finance. Ribbon Finance is the existing financial token, existing token cryptocurrency that is already listed. It is this entity that has built up the new exchange Aevo, for which the token is getting launched. Now, as I mentioned, Aevo is I didn't mention about Aevo is a perpetual exchange that the Ribbon team has built, and as per their disclosures, Ribbon holders will be able to migrate their token to Aevo at an exchange rate of 1:1. That is, for every Ribbon token that you hold, we will be able to get one token of Aevo at a later date. This is also disclosed in the disclosure statement or the report by Binance for the launch pool. It is said it reads here saying that Aevo is built by the team that launched Ribbon Finance. As such, RBN holders are able to convert their RBN to Aevo at a 1:1 rate. However, this requires a 2 months lockup. Now, this is what it is. This is what the constraint factor herein is. Now, why is this investment important for me, and where did I come up with the number of 57% that I spoke of some time back? Now, even though Aevo is not listed, Aevo Exchange has an pre-listing market as well, in which the previous performances have been fairly accurate. Aevo token is currently trading at a price of $2.57 per token on the pre-listing market. Again, I understand there will be some apprehensions considering that Aevo token is traded on this off-market exchange of Aevo. Therefore, I have looked at the second exchange that I predominantly like to follow for pre-listing, which is Whales Market. On Whale Market as well, if you can see, there are various offerings. The lowest offering currently available on is at 2.9. It is not filled. The other one is 2.92, is 53% filled, which means there is certain amount of demand for this token at a price above $2.92. Not just for this project, even for the other listings that are coming up the market, I like to prefer to look at Aevo token because it has a more perpetual and a more deeper market. On this, we can see a price of $2.58 for per Aevo. This compares very favorably with the current price of $1.57 for the Ribbon Finance token, which I already hold. However, a disclaimer, I am already an investor in Ribbon Finance from an earlier period. I started investing in the first week of February, and my initial buy price was 47 cents. So I'm already around 3.5 times up, that is 350% already up on this transaction. I've added some more investments today. My average price is therefore less than $1 still. I'm in big profits, but I expect another 50% return. Now, the basis of today I'm going to talk about two strategies. One is buying and holding Ribbon, and the other one is hedging yourself using through the perpetual exchange. Again, this is not financial advice; it's for your own informed decision making. On this Excel, I have plotted the two tokens, that is Ribbon and Aevo. Ribbon currently has a market cap of 1.5 billion, which can be verified from here, 1.519 billion, and a fully diluted market cap of 1.6 billion. As it has a current supply of the circulating supply of 0.937 billion and a price of 1.57. As I speak, it has gone down $1.57. Now, Ribbon token has a supply of 1 billion. It can be seen here, max supply is 1 billion. Now, Aevo, upon its migration, will have the similar amount of max supply. You can see the max supply here on the Binance research paper. It says its max supply will be 1 billion. So there is no change in the max supply of Ribbon and as well as Aevo. You can see it is 0% change. However, the current current pre-listing premium of Aevo is at $2.57. I was 2.55 sometime back when I started making this Excel. So it is already trading at a 64% premium. Aevo token is trading at a 64% premium to the Ribbon token. Why is this so? There are predominantly two reasons why this could be this is likely to be the case. First is that upon listing, Aevo will have a initial market supply of 100 and yes, it'll have 110 million initial trading supply which are plotted in this exchange, which is 89% lesser than the current circulating supply of Ribbon token. Therefore, there will be initial price supply shock that will be there for people who are willing to invest in this token. Especially considering that I've seen the website, Aevo website is way superior to that of Ribbon, and hence the demand is likely to be much more higher. Furthermore, currently Ribbon is only available on a select number of exchanges, predominantly Coinbase and Gate.io. Apart from that, it is on smaller exchanges and on decentralized where there are not many buyers. If you look at the exchange depth, the volumes, you can see Coinbase has an daily trading of around $6 billion dollars, while Gate.io has around 2 billion of daily volumes. We can say around 2 billion for Gate.io and around 6 billion for Coinbase, which adds up to around 8 billion, which is less than oops, something went wrong, which is less than around 1/5, around 20% of the volume that Binance typically commands. So I'll just open it. It get lost for some, yeah. Trading volume for spot exchanges is around 44 billion for Binance, which is around 5 times more than Coinbase and Gate taken together. Now, therefore, once Aevo launches on Binance, there will be larger number of people who will be able to buy it, and hence the demand should drive up the price naturally. Furthermore, there will be supply shock, as I spoke some time back, which should drive the price higher. I expect Aevo to actually launch up at a price higher than 2.5 or 2.58 dollars as well. The risk factors now. The biggest risk factor is if you buy a Ribbon token now, there is a 2 months lock-in period before we can convert it to Aevo. Anything can happen in 2 months period. Therefore, a second strategy some of you might be interested in is to buy a Ribbon token and at the same time sell the Aevo token on the pre-market exchange. For example, if I sell in this strategy, let's assume that we sell Aevo at $2.57 per coin on Aevo exchange, on the perpetual exchange, at a one-time leverage, and buy Aevo at a price of the current price, which is $1.57. Now this would give us a hedged return of around 24%, meaning thereby if the price goes up, we can buy the short position that we have created on Aevo and sell our Ribbon token. Therefore, we are hedged to some extent, and the hedged return is around 24% in 3 months, which is not bad at all by any standard. There are a couple of risks also. This is not a risk-free strategy either. The first risk is, considering the lock-in period of 2 months and a likely supply shock, it is not unlikely that Aevo token might rapidly rise. In such a scenario, there is a possibility or the risk that the short sell, that is the sell of Aevo token, might get triggered, might get liquidated, meaning thereby that your sell position might have to be bought back while your Ribbon token is locked, and hence you are not able to liquidate the Ribbon at a higher price. So the worst case scenario for in this strategy would be if the Ribbon token, if the Aevo token goes significantly higher, rises rapidly within the first 2 months, and then crashes after 2 months when Aevo becomes ready for sell. That is not a very unlikely scenario, therefore a risk factor. However, I do believe that the probability of this happening is low, and hence I have gone ahead to add some more Ribbon token today. As I said, my average price is less than $1, and therefore I'm sitting fairly comfortable. However, I feel it's a strategy worth looking at. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, do hit a like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section. If you have any counter arguments to this, if you think I've missed out something on my strategy, do let me know. It will be useful for all of us. Let's learn collectively together. I'll see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.